Oh my gosh, guys.
Good morning, guys. We are headed to try Wendy's spicy chicken nuggets because I love chicken nuggets, but I feel like the ones at McDonald's are lacking a little bit of flavor. Also, later today, I am going with Maya to Pizza Press, and we're probably gonna paint and stuff, so that should be exciting. And then I also need to pack for vacation, which by the time you guys watch this vlog, I will already be on vacation, which is kind of cool.
Hey, buddy, how's it going? How's it going?
Hi. Can I just get the 10-piece spicy chicken nuggets?
Meal or just a nuggets?
Just the nuggets.
Hey guys, how's it going?
I'm good. I'd say the fries from McDonald's are better, but Wendy's chicken nuggets are definitely a lot better. And they taste less fake. I'm just waiting for you to burst out into some... Stop scaring me. Oh my lord. Oh, dollar section.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Just give us a second real quick.
Sure, let me know when you're ready.
Alright. You want a Starbucks refresher?
Can I get a sweet iced tea lemonade? Tall.
Sweet iced tea lemonade? You know
Or
what?
iced tea lemonade sweetened.
I kind of want a matcha green tea latte.
It's really gross. I've tried it.
Okay.
It's actually
Alright, we're ready.
Go for it.
Could I get a grande matcha green tea latte?
Is that a hot or a cold drink?
Cold.
Okay. And what else for you?
And,
wait. Can I get the tall green tea frappuccino
and a tall green tea frappuccino
with caramel syrup?
Okay.
with caramel
Syrup.
syrup.
Okay. Did you want the caramel sauce or the syrup?
The syrup.
Okay. Gotcha.
Oh, maybe
And what
the
else for you?
sauce. Wait,
Uh,
actually it's a sauce.
Actually, can we change that syrup to a sauce?
Sure. And do you want it just on the top or you want it all over
around,
inside?
All around the sides.
Okay. So extra caramel syrup. You got it. And what else for you?
Alright, that's it.
Okay. We'll get you total up with them.
Alright.
Thank you.
So indecisive.
I am pretty undecided. I kind of just want water. Should I ask her for water?
I think water's like 25 cents now.
Oh. Guys, we were here in summer vlog number 2, number 1.
Excuse me.
And now we're back here again for the final summer vlog.
Thank you. Make sure to not spill this time.
Oh no. Got it.
It's good. It's really good. She doesn't
This
understand.
is really good. Alright, I'm back home now from Target. I just got some string lights because I need so many of these for my apartment. And then I got some stickers. Honestly, since when Arsha and I first started going to Target, their sticker selection has become so much better. The next thing that I need to do today is pack. So I think, me being the extra person that I am, I'm going to make a packing for Europe spread, these stickers in it, and then I'm going to actually start packing.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna
So this is my packing list. This is all I can think of at the moment. So obviously I'll add to it if I remember anything. Alright, so now that I have made my packing list, it is time to actually Europe. We're gonna, I don't even know if I mentioned, but I'm going to Europe. But in Europe, we're gonna be traveling between 2 places, and in between those 2 places, we're gonna have to take care of our own luggage and stuff. So we're all taking really small luggage, which means that my packing is gonna be super light. Little thing is all I'm taking, so it's pretty deep, which is nice, and then also has this pocket. I have this right here, so I think I'll be able to fit everything in here. I do have to pack for 10 days, which is quite a bit, but I think it'll be fine. And then obviously I have this outer 2 pockets. Hello! I'm with, I was gonna say Aya. I'm with Maya and Asha, and we're trying Pizza Press because it just opened. Are you excited to take us there?
Yes.
Okay.
Very excited. It better be good.
I'm very excited to try.
Yes.
Watch it like not be the same thing at all.
I'd be so sad. I'm gonna cry.
Here's Maya. Is that yours?
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in Durga, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance.
So here's the final result. It is not
It's beautiful.
a little bit terrible.
It looks good. It's good.
There's Maya's. Oh, it's upside down. There's Asha's. That actually looks. Wait, what happened to your like reflection of the sun?
So that just didn't go out. It looked like McDonald's.
Good morning, guys. It is 2 days until Europe, so what better time to start packing than now? I'm super excited for this trip.
Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good.
Alright, I am pretty much all done packing. We are leaving tomorrow morning, and I am so excited, and I still can't wrap my head around the fact that by the time you guys watch this, I will already be in Europe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, I will not have a video up next Monday, but I will have one up next Thursday.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in Durga, walk